Hello friends, I am Rohit. Today's topic is plugging. It is basically the continuation of magnetic control. So without wasting any time, let's switch to the topic. Plugging is one type of electrical braking. Electrical braking is very much necessary for quick retardation of motors. So in this topic, we will be focusing in plugging where by changing the phase sequence, uh, negative torque is applied to the motor for quick retardation. In case of braking, we have to only apply negative torque to the motor. By that, the motor will come to rest with speedily retarding torque. So it is the whole theory behind it. So let's see the application of braking. Well, in case of traction motor, uh, which are used in railway engines, in case of electric cars, and there are lots of examples, but I'm focusing in these two. In case of electric cars and traction motor, this electric braking accompanied with mechanical braking is used for quick retardation of these vehicles. So let's see the plugging operation in detail and let's try to decode the circuitry. Okay, so let's get started. So let's focus first to the power circuit. Well, first of all, I want to tell that this circuitry is similar to the direction control circuit. So please watch my direction control video for to get the complete idea or to get the more information regarding these topics. Okay, so please watch that video. So here in the power circuit I have used two contactors. See, these are the two contactors. What I have told earlier, I have to provide a changed phase sequence so as to provide negative torque for retardation. So to achieve that I have designed this circuitry. So here when this contactor will be activated, then the motor will receive RYB phase. Okay, and if this contactor will be activated, the motor will receive RBY phase, just changed phase sequence, and the motor will receive the negative torque and slowly it will retard. Okay, this is the whole funda, and this is basically the zero speed switch. It detects the zeroth position of the motor and actuates its contact. Okay, this contact actuates its contact. Okay, so now let's focus to the control circuit. Means to control these contactors, this control circuit I have designed. So let's focus here. So at first I have used here the zero speed switch NC contact. Okay, that is the normally closed contact. Then I've used the stop push button, then the start push button, and parallel to that is the NO contact of M contactor, that is the main contactor. Then the NC contact of plug contactor. Parallel to that is the plug switch, then the NC contact of main contactor, then finally the plug contactor. These two contactors are for interlocking. Interlocking I've discussed earlier, so watch my previous videos. So now let's see the operation. Now I will start the motor. See, I've started the motor. What will happen? The current will flow from here to the contactor and this contactor will get energized. Then what will happen? Its state of the contacts will change like this. This will be NO, this will be NC. Now as this is spring return, this will come back to its original position and this contactor will be remain latched through this contact, means the current will flow from here to this contact and to the contactor, and this contacts will also be changed from NO to NC, and the motor will start running. Okay, means the power has reached to the motor, and this will continue to run. Okay, means the motor has started. So now I will stop the motor, and then I will apply braking. I will apply the brake. Okay, so let's stop the motor and see what happens. So see, I have stopped the motor. What had happened? And this circuit has been disconnected, and this contact has been braked. Then what will happen? Means this contactor has been de-energized. Now what will happen? Its state of the contacts will change. Means this will become NC again. This will become NO. These contacts will become NO, and the power to the motor has stopped. The power which was received by the motor has been disconnected. So now the motor is still running due to its inertia of motion. Okay, now to for quick retardation of motor, I will apply brake. Okay, and as this button is the spring return type, this will again come to its original position. Okay, so it had make the contacts again. Okay, so now I will apply the plug push button. I will press this push button. So this push button I have to press. Okay, if I release my hand, then this will again change its contact, and the contact will break. So I have to keep pressing this contact. So see, I have pressed this plug button. What will happen? This P contactor will get energized, and its contact state will change. So this will become NO, and these contacts will become NC. So the motor will now receive the changed phase sequence, and it will also receive the negative torque. Okay, it will receive the negative torque, and it will be deaccelerated by its, or it will be retarded at a quicker rate. Okay, it will be retarded at a quicker rate. So when it reaches its zeroth speed, what will happen? And this zero speed switch will get activated, and its contact state will change. This one, this will change from NO to NC like this, and whole this circuit will get disconnected, and the motor will finally come to rest. Okay, this is the whole funda of electrical braking. I hope you guys like this video, and so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned with me. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.